Looking for a delicious, meat-free Bolognese sauce made with lentils? If so, take a chance on this recipe for lentil bolognese and you won't regret it. Wash and have your cherry tomatoes. Once cut, add salt, pepper, and dry or fresh oregano to a baking dish. Roast them for 30 to 40 minutes. While the tomatoes roast, prepare the lentil bolognese vegetables. Chop garlic, onion, celery, and carrots into small pieces. Sauté pre-cut vegetables in olive oil over medium heat. Leave to sauté for 20 minutes, and lower it after a couple of minutes. Season with salt and pepper, and add the 2 generous teaspoons of pronto spaghetti. Mix well. Next, add your cherry tomatoes, which should have already come out of the oven. It's now time to add the passata. Mix everything together and leave to simmer for 20 minutes. That gives you time to cook the stracciatella pasta. You can wash dishes while waiting. Once the lentil bolognese sauce has finished cooking and the pasta is ready, it's all about plating. Add a portion of pasta to your plate, and top with plenty of lentil bolognese sauce. Hand finish with some grated parmesan, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. You can use Belmorso sweet pepper spread if you want your lentil bolognese to have a more peppery than tomato taste.